Hello and welcome you all to the new video. In this video, we will learn how to install two different things. That is, the first thing is PHP and the another thing is PHPMyAdmin. So, to install PHP, you need to have Apache, and to install PHPMyAdmin, you just need to have MySQL installed. I have given both the videos and to how to install these two things, that is Apache and MySQL. So I would request you all to go and watch those two videos and then come back to this video and install these two things, that is PHP and PHPMyAdmin. So to install PHP, let us go to the terminal. Okay, to install I have already written all the steps. Okay, I will provide you everything so that it will be easier for you to install without searching here and there. So the first step is to provide the admin password, admin command, that is sudo su. Now we are inside the administrator account. Now the first step, as I have always told you, is that to provide the API update and upgrade command. Okay, this is the update and upgrade command. I have just upgraded my I have just refreshed my device, so I will just skip this command. I will just move on to the next command, that is apt install php. This is the basic command to install php. Okay, in this command I will just install the php from the php server, that is from the web browser. But I will also install two other things, that is, first is libapache mod. Here it is libapache 2 mod php, that is the my Apache connector for php, and MySQL php, that is MySQL connector for php. Just copy it down and just paste it here. It is asking for 23.3 MB. It is already given Y, so it will all automatically take the Y, that is the yes option. Okay, the first command is done, and let us install the second command, that is in this command we will install the latest stable version of php that is released, and that is 8.3.6. okay, the latest release is 8.3.6, and we will install the apt transport https. This is for working in our web browser, so that it will work, because php will show its default page like Apache in the browser. And the CA certificates, this is also for browser. So let us install that. Okay, these are already installed, so no need to worry. If in your computer it might not be installed, with this command it will be installed automatically. Now the third step is this wget -o, then there is a folder location, and there is a link for a website. I will just explain you that, because this is the important one. So what is happening in this, that I have pasted the link and the command in the terminal. Okay, I want, in this actually what is happening, that I want a GPG key that is required for PHP installation. Okay, what is happening here, it is I have given wget, that is the full form is website get. Okay, from website get, the terminal will access go to this website and collect the gpg key according to my php installed php version. Okay, the first, in this first command I have written install php, that means a php version is installed in my computer. According to that, terminal will fetch the gpg key. Okay, then it will save that gpg key in this particular file location, and here -o means output, that is wget will access this particular website and then extract the gpg key and save the output in this particular location, that is etc apt trusted.gpg, and inside that it is a php.gpg file created. I will show you after this command. It is enter, it is taking time. Okay, it is done. It is saying 100, that means it is done. Let me show you where it is installed or down extracted. In this, go to the other location, then you will find Ubuntu. If you have another disk that is integrated in your computer, it will also show here. Go to Ubuntu, then go to etc. Okay, then it is etc now. It is etc. Then go to apt folder, apt, here it is apt, and inside that there is trusted gpg.d, that is this location. Under that there is a php.gpg, so click in this, and here it is that gpg key. Okay, now you have got my you have got the idea what I am trying to do. So let me clear this one and move on to the next one. This particular one is optional, you can do, you may not. It will just show the policy, in which policy the php is installed. So php is installed in 2:8.3. okay, so it is a negligible step, you can do or you may not. After that we will install this command. Okay, this command is actually for phpMyAdmin, because in this phpMySQL we have already installed that. We can do, we may not, you can just remove this. Then you need to install php curl, that is curl. Actually it is url that is related to our website, or sorry, or our web browser. Then json files, then xml files, then mb strings. Okay, let me just click copy and then paste it here. Okay, it is now downloading. Okay, the required packages are downloaded. Then you can the next step is to see the php modules, that whether which modules we have installed. That is for your better knowledge, you can skip, you may not, you can see. Because now you see that zend opac sorry op cache. Okay, all these things are the under php modules, these are installed. You can see, you may not, it is a negligible step. Just move on to the next step, that is install php fpm server. It is an important server. Okay, it is required for php. Let me install it. Okay, it is installed. Then this is to start the php fpm server. Okay, you can I will just do these three steps in only one step, that is just copy and paste one by one. Now as we have written here systemctl status php 8.3 fpm, that's why it is showing Apache running active, it is activated. and now it is enabled. So now there is a thing that according to us the PHP is installed, okay, but you cannot access to the PHP. Let me show you how. To access PHP, you just need to go to localhost in your browser and then search info.php. Right now it is showing not found. So why it is not found? Because info.php is actually a file name. Okay, so we have not created any file that is called info.php. So we need to create that file. How to create that file? There is a simple trick, and it is a universal one, because when I am saying universal, that means in every form of that is your Linux distros, that is Zorinoe, CentOS, Fedora, Linux Kali, or Debian, all the other all the other Linux distributions, the file name will always be the same. That's why I am saying universal. So that is, first you need to open a text editor. For in my case I will use gedit text editor, which is much more better than nano text editor. You can use nano also, but I will be sticking on to gedit. So the file location is where, under that www, and under that it is HTML file. In this file, under HTML file, I will create info.php file. It will open a text editor. In this, just write what I am writing is PHP, then PHP info, then parenthesis, then just close this brackets. Now it is done. This is the universal PHP information file. It will show all the information that are installed currently, that I have shown you in the previous steps. Just click on save, then exit, and now go to your web browser and just keep this one and just refresh this page. It will show the Apache, sorry, my mistake, PHP default page. Okay, you can see this is a big page. Everything is written here, all those modules, all those things that are that have been downloaded recently, it will show here. Now let us move to the second part of this video, that is installing PHPMyAdmin. So to install PHPMyAdmin, that is a basic step, that is apt install PHPMyAdmin-y. This step will install PHPMyAdmin. Just click enter. It is showing configuring PHPMyAdmin. This is a very important and what I will say, it is a very crucial one. That is because in our machine we have installed Apache. This is the base default page. Okay, this means it is showing two options, that is Apache 2 and LIG HTTPD. This is actually for CentOS and Fedora, because in those two distributions you need to install HTTPD in spite of Apache 2. In Debian, Zorinoes, Ubuntu, you just need to install Apache 2. Okay, just select Apache 2, because that is our default web server that will help PHPMyAdmin to show its default pages. Just click on enter. It will continue to download. Now it is asking for PHPMyAdmin package must have a database installed and configured before it can be used. So you can press yes. I will press yes in this case. Then it is asking for MySQL password. I will give my MySQL password. You also have to give your password. If there is no password, just click on enter, then enter. It is showing while creating the database it is has encountered an error. It is nothing, you just click on abort. It is a safe procedure. Clear this one. Here you can see errors were encountered while processing PHPMyAdmin. You just no need to worry, it will work. Now the PHPMyAdmin is installed, as you have seen. So how to access that? Just click on localhost, write localhost, then PHPMyAdmin. Right now it is saying not found. Okay, in this case it was previously showing not found, and after that we have created info.php file in a particular folder. But in this case we will not create any file. We just need to create a symbolic link. The command to create symbolic link is this: sudo ln -s user share phpMyAdmin. This is the universal universal file location, and after that it is var html www html phpMyAdmin. This is also the universal, because in every distros it will the file location will be the same. Just click I am just pasting them here and it will enter. So if it is showing error in your computer, that means there is some error. In my case there is no error. So after that we need to restart Apache. I will be using systemctl, that is system control Apache 2, and now it is restarted. So head back to your web browser, just click refresh button. Now it is saying welcome to PHPMyAdmin. It is saying username and password. You have to write your username and password. Right now you cannot log into your PHPMyAdmin page, as because if you enter anything, that means admin and then admin, because in these kind of PHP pages, admin and admin are the passwords that first comes to our mind. But trust me, this will not work. Click on login. It will say connecting to MySQL server is failed. So how to do that? I will show you the step. First you need to go to your MySQL, enter your MySQL server. So for that, this is MySQL -u root -p. Then provide your MySQL password. Then in this you have entered you can see MySQL cell is open. So in this you just need to type there are actually 4 commands. So let me just show you them to you. Pardon me. Just write what I am writing: create user, then admin, then @ then percentage. Here it denotes localhost, but you cannot write localhost instead of percentage. You just need to write percentage. Then it is identified. Please mind that your spelling should be correct. Okay, in my case I think it is correct. Just let me check it out, because if the spelling is wrong it will show error. Copy, identified by password. In my case I will keep admin 1234, and then because it is a MySQL command, so semicolon is mandatory. So let me click enter. What is the issue? Okay, I have created one actually. I have created one previously, so let me create another one. Because it is my old computer and I have created it previously, that's why it is showing this problem. So let me change it. Let the password be same. I will provide a new password, a new username. Suppose it will be my name only. Then click enter. Now see, the query is okay. The error here it was because the name admin was previously enrolled by me only. Okay, so the password, my username is my name, that is my name is Arpan, and Arpan is identified by admin @1234. So let me grant the second step is to grant the user its all privileges. So for that, just write grant privileges on start, then to, then write the username. In this case, the username is Arpan, and then write and, it is and, yes, it is and percentage. Here again, percentage denotes localhost, so please do not confuse in that with grant options. This is the command, so click enter. So this is the command. I have just fixed that indentation error. Okay, I will provide you this. This is the indentation error, please mind it. This is the indentation error. Okay, and now it is working. After this step, you just need to flush all those privileges. Flush privileges, then click enter. Okay, it is saying query okay, 0 rows affected. Yes, that is fine. Then click exit. So it is saying bye bye. That means our work in MySQL is done. Now just go to your PHPMyAdmin, just hit refresh button, then provide the username that just created. In my case, it is my name, and admin @1234. Just click login. Not now. So here it is. Welcome to the MySQL, what I will say, PHPMyAdmin graphical representation of MySQL page. In this, you will be able to create database, show the status of all the users. It means in terminal you just need to write all the steps by your own. Now you will be able to just create the databases using the buttons actually. So just need to write create database. It is saying create database. Let me create one. It is test. Okay, so for your understanding, I will just create one database, that is test. Just create. Okay, now it is asking for create new table name, just roll number. For your instance, I am just showing number of columns, create. Here it is. This is the process actually. If you want to learn how to create database using PHPMyAdmin or MySQL, I will show you that also. Just comment down below, I will show you each and every step. This is where you can see your own databases that is created. Information schema, MySQL, performance schema, and system, that is SYS. These four are system generated by MySQL itself. School database that I have created by my own previously in my MySQL server, and test, I have just shown you the process how to just create a database through PHP. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I will come back again with a new video. Thank you.